In this video, we will be making a super easy, perfect sized tote. We will need some outdoors fabric. We will cut our fabric into a couple of rectangles. We will also need some heavy duty cotton webbing or belt straps and some twill tape. You don't have to have two rectangles. You may just manage with one, just fold it in half. I used the same colored handles for one of my totes and a contrast color for another. Now it's time to make a screenshot of everything we need for our project. We will place both of our rectangles one on top of another and cut out two squares 4.5 by 4.5 inches wide on the bottom of our tote. With the right sides in, pin together the sides and the bottom of our project. Stitch and trim the edges. Next, pin the bottom of our tote as shown on both sides. Stitch, finish the edges, press under about 1/2 of an inch on the top. This is what it should look like. For the handles, step away 5.5 to 6 inches on each side. I like the outside of my tote nice and clean, so I only pinned my handles to that 1/2 of an inch on the pressed under side. And we want our handles nice and strong, so I double stitched twice each of my handles. We are almost done. All we have to do is put some twill tape on the inside of the top of our tote so that we cover that raw, rough edge with the handles. Pin it down as shown. Since my twill tape is white and I like my finishes nice and clean, I replaced red thread with the white thread in my sewing machine. Top stitch close to edge and then stepping away 3/4 of an inch or close to it. And we are done. I hope you have fun making your own tote, and I will see you in my future videos. Goodbye.